Motorola Moto X back cover replacement. Use this guide to replace the back cover of your Motorola Moto X. Insert the SIM card eject tool into the hole in the side of the SIM card tray and push to eject the tray. Remove the SIM card tray. If the SIM card does not fall free from the tray on its own, simply remove it with your fingers. In the following steps you will be releasing the clips holding the phone's cases together. However, the back case is also secured with an adhesive pad. After separating the clips, you will use an eye opener to allow the case to fully open. Do not attempt to fully open the phone before loosening the adhesive. Insert a plastic opening tool into the seam between the front and rear covers near the SIM card slot. Slide the plastic opening tool along the seam toward the upper corner. Carefully slide the plastic opening tool around the corner, freeing it from clips. Pry around the top right corner of the phone between the two covers. Run the opening tool along the seam around all four sides, separating the remaining clips holding the cover on. The plastic on the front cover is thinner near the buttons, and the buttons may move around. Go slowly to avoid damaging the buttons or the front cover. Do not push the opening tool deep into phone, or you may damage internal components. https://www.iFixit.com/guide/eyeopener+heating/25705 and lay it over the phone for approximately 90 seconds to loosen the adhesive securing the back cover. Starting from the SIM slot side, carefully peel the back cover off of the phone. The back cover is very flexible, but you don't want to damage any internal components by being too hasty. There is a chance that the NFC coil may remain stubbornly adhered to the back cover. If that's the case, stop peeling the cover and reapply a heated eye opener to the back cover. Do not separate the back cover entirely, it is still connected to the phone by the camera flash cable. The flash cable is attached on the power volume button side of the phone. Gently set the back cover down in a way that exposes the camera flash cable connector, but does not put strain on it. Use the tip of a spudger to flip up the retaining flap on the flash cable's EIF connector. Be sure to pry only on the flap itself, not on the connector. Pull the flash cable straight out of its socket. Separate the back cover from the phone. Use the flat end of a spudger to gently pry between the flash assembly and back cover to separate the adhesive. Remove the flash assembly from the back cover. You may also need to transfer the camera lens and the silicone pad from the rear case. These can be removed by prying carefully with a plastic opening tool. Depending on the adhesive on the rear case, you may need to tape the flash assembly down to secure it.